feels fantastic, okay? So again, I'm gonna take the band. I'm just gonna try to show you as best I can. I'm gonna put my ankle in here, but I'm gonna cross the band, okay? So I don't want it open like this. I wanna cross it. Okay, here. You know what, actually, I'm just gonna switch my leg here, make it a little easier. All right, so basically here, crisscross the band, stick my toe through the middle. So you can see that it's crossed above my ankle on top of my foot. And then from here, I'm basically just gonna slide out as best I can so I feel resistance. It's pulling my leg. It feels great already, okay? So I get this nice stretch already. I'm not even doing anything. I could just sit here like this, okay? But what I want you to do is flexion and extension exercises. So basically we're gonna flex the foot, pulling against the band, ooh, and then I'm gonna basically point my toe, or just let the band kind of pull my foot down. Then I'm gonna bring my toe up, plantar flag, oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna relax. Okay, so plantar flexion here. Okay, so basically, sometimes we call these pumping the gas pedal, banded gas pumping, that kind of thing. It has a million different names. Unfortunately, you use a lot of slang in the fitness industry to name exercises. So textbook, of course, this would be a type of ankle distraction. But basically, this is the idea here. You're flexing and pointing the foot, okay? Oh my gosh. So basically, this is my tibialis anterior muscle, okay? So this is actually a great exercise if you're prone to shin splints. So in the running world, this would apply for stuff like that, okay? So it'd help you strengthen your ankles for that kind of thing. I used to work with a lot of trail runners. This is a really great exercise for them. But this is great for anybody with tight ankles, doing anything, okay? And it just feels great, okay? So remember, you get your foot in the band, okay? You just kind of plunk it in, you cross the band and stick your toe in the middle, and then you basically sit back as far as you think you're able, okay? Make sure that that connection is secure, and you point and flex your foot with the resistance pulling the foot away from the leg, okay? Feels great. All right. Whew. So